Mini grids and solar home systems are extending electricity access into off-grid areas. With most Kenyans living in areas with assurance of solar energy throughout the year, the introduction of solar cookstoves is in itself exciting.
We have a full kit package for a solar cooking solution. That is, it comes in a form of 4 components. That is the EcoMpishi Solar Cooker, the solar charge controller, the solar battery, and the solar panel. The photovoltaic panels have the ability to not only just absorb sun rays, but they actually have the ability to absorb any form of light and actually transform it into DC energy to be able to power our solar cooker.
We are encouraging people to take up clean cooking options that fit into their pockets. The savings that you make on the fuel, they pay up for the cost of the equipment with time. We all need to embrace the call for clean cooking and reach out to Kenyans so that they are aware of the benefits and they practice the talk.